Mr. Eds Appliance Repair of Albuquerque prides itself on being very honest and reliable and performing quality work.
You're in the middle of a load of laundry when you hear a strange noise coming from your washer. Before you know it, that noise has turned into a full-blown washing machine emergency. Relax, we're here to help. Mr. Eds Appliance Repair is your local Albuquerque Whirlpool Appliance repair service with over many years of experience repairing appliances big and small. We offer same-day service and a 100% satisfaction guarantee on all our repairs. Appliances we service and repair: washer, washing machines, dryer, ovens, freezers, garbage disposals. Call Mr. Eds Best Appliance Repair Company in Albuquerque today at 505-319-0919.